People often say, what is it you do? And for us it's, what do you want? If it's people, we can find it. If it's plant, we'll get it. Whatever's given you a hassle, give us a call and we'll sort it out for you. So Contract Group, we're a regional based rail contracting business. Our first shot came on the Inland Rail with Parks to Narromine section, which we called the P2N, and that was a massive thing for our business. So not only did our business grow, but all of our suppliers grew. And now that we've got the Albury to Park section coming, everyone's getting excited. We got given the opportunity to attend the Inland Rail workshops. They've been really good just to sort of get an idea of what's upcoming, what the tender process is going to look like, and also get to meet the client. The workshops for us were just a good way for us to stay current, especially with getting up to date with a lot of the environmental strategies and procedures, and getting a bit of help to make sure that we're meeting all of those targets correctly. We know exactly what they're after and we can give them exactly what they need.
That's come up 100 compared to what we had.
For us, as a smaller company, it's important for us to make sure that we're ticking the same boxes as the larger company. I think it's a good opportunity when you get to the workshops to actually meet the guys that are working on the project and start building that relationship early on in the piece.
These capability workshops are fantastic. Inland Rail is providing a great opportunity for everyone here, and this is only going to help you to become better noticed by the bigger companies and how we need you to operate to get that contract.
We're pumped about the Inland Rail and the opportunity that Inland Rail is providing to us, and appreciate all the help that Inland Rail has given for our local community.